It's devastation time! Frightening. Unnerving. A couple of bad dudes.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Introducing first, at a combined weight of 620 pounds, Akam and Razor, the authors of pain.
What an incredible opportunity on this big stage for the authors of pain tonight.
It was just a matter of time before Razor and Akam made it to the big stage in WWE because they have done nothing but destroy everything in front of them.
Tell you what, just the intimidating march to the ring is enough to throw your opponent's mindset out of whack. Man, these guys are scary.
Welcome to the Uso Penitentiary!
Hey, Corey, have you been down since day one-ish?
Saxton, I've been down a lot longer than you have.
And his partners, at a combined weight of 479 pounds, Jey Uso and Jimmy Uso. The
One of the great tag teams of all time.
Jimmy and Jey have been on a run recently that has redefined the tag team division in WWE.
You know, back early in their career, they were held down, but they've managed to grow through the years to become one of the all-time greats.
Sons of WWE Hall of Famer Rikishi, Jimmy and Jey, one of the most exciting teams of this generation.
and their opponents. First, at a combined weight of 303 pounds, the Superstar and the Superstar, the team.
Here we go. This is the match a lot of these people came to see tonight.
And with good reason, Michael. This one's been brewing for quite some time.
And his partners, weighing in at 140 pounds, the Superstar.
Byron, are you at all surprised by the intensity level inside this arena right now?
Not in the least bit, Michael. This is the one the WWE Universe has been looking forward to for quite some time.
And their partner, from New York, weighing in at 230 pounds, the Superstar.
Given the participants, this match might very well steal the show, guys.
Yeah, and I think you could go so far as to say it has the makings of a Match of the Year candidate.
flatliner.
Oh, man, face first.
Oh, nasty impact.
He's starting to stumble here. He may have to start reevaluating his game plan.
Yeah, but he's got a very untraditional approach tonight, which includes spending a great deal of time outside the ring. That might help him in the long run.
We'll see. I know it's early, but if things stay the way they are, winning this match might just be a pipe dream for him.
He wants no part of the outside. He's starting to stagger a bit, but it's going to take a lot more than that to stop him here tonight.
I think a lot of people right now are scratching their heads wondering how he let this match get so out of hand.
Boom! Tag made, and this should be a great double team by this awesome team.
Oh, man, vicious knees right to the gut.
Gutbuster. Wow, that was a long way down.
Harsh impact.
Looks like he's starting to falter. I don't think this is how he envisioned this match going here tonight.
He has to be feeling helpless in there right now. Nothing seems to be going right for him tonight.
Kick to the...
Elbow finds its mark.
At the elbow. Oh my goodness, crushing it.
Wow, that won't separate your shoulder, that'll divorce it. Oh, what impact!
You gotta believe this one's over.
Oof!
Ooh, what impact.
Beautiful technique.
He's taking some offense, but we all know that he isn't afraid of a good fight, which is what we're seeing here.
Well, this certainly escalated in a hurry. I don't think any of us expected to see him fall behind so quickly.
Oh, continuing to punish them. Oh my goodness, crushing it.
Trouble in paradise.
This might be it.
Oh, my.
Knee looking good here. He's always up for a challenge, and tonight is no different.
Well, I hate to sound so negative, but his chances of winning this match look incredibly bleak right now.
Suplex.
In off the tag.
Kick to the gut. Over and over.
Ooh, that hurt.
A sharp one right to the cheekbone.
His partner wants it now.
Yeah, but it looks to me like he wants to do this himself.
What a stomp. Good grief. Comes in off the tag. Down to the floor. And no look against Akam there.
Oh my goodness, what an impactful STO.
When this guy's on, look out. Gonna have to get back in the ring here, guys.
Running out of time.
Tear the features clean off your face.
He's on the defensive now. He needs to find a way to get on the offensive, guys.
Nothing good happens outside the ring, which is why I love it when guys go out there. Things are going to heat up now, fellas.
Come on, not like this. This is not how I wanted to see this end. Here's another quick look at some of the highlights. He ain't messing around.
And this is how he ended it.
Here are your winners, Akam, Rezar, Jey Uso, and Jimmy Uso.
Big win, albeit via countout.
Hey, rules are rules. You got to pay attention to the 10 count.
Foxy time!
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making her way to the ring from Ponte Vedra Beach, Florida, Alicia Fox.
Hey, Alicia! Alicia!
Well,
you should have heard what Byron was saying about you earlier today.
Michael! I'm getting out of here.
Good, thank God. Now the show can get crazy like a fox.
Yeah, she's not quite like all your other superstars in WWE. She has some issues.
Unpredictable, sure. I'm into that sort of thing.
It's Candice Wrestling!
And her opponents. First, from Anaheim, California, Candice LeRae.
You know, Byron, she describes herself as a modern-day Mighty Mouse.
Yeah, such a positive energy that Candice LeRae brings to the equation.
Listen to this place on its feet for Candice LeRae.
Happy Lana Day.
And from Moscow, the ravishing Russian, Lana!
The ravishing Russian has been ridiculed and written off her entire career, but here tonight she's looking to have the last laugh and crush the competition.
Anybody that's ever ridiculed Lana doesn't know what they're talking about. She's incredibly beautiful,
Byron.
incredibly talented.
Byron.
Speaks like 31 languages.
Byron.
Was a former social ambassador for Rusev.
Byron.
Byron has none of those things.
Whoa,
No, but Byron's criticized all those things.
I did not. That's not true. I respect Lana.
And their partner, the Queen.
Guys, we're just moments away from what will likely be one of the most one-sided affairs you'll ever see.
For once, Cole, I have to agree with you. The numbers game will just be too much to overcome.
Here we go, Alicia Fox on the move.
And with a handicap match like this, things are bound to get out of hand.
Ooh! You gotta believe this one's over. What a stomp. Good grief. Boom, what impact. Now that's not right. Somebody do something about that.
Sweat starting to form on Alicia Fox's brow. She certainly has her hands full here in this handicap match.
Looks to me like her game plan hit a bit of a snag here, guys. She better make a change quickly if she wants to win this handicap match.
I don't know about you guys, but I did not expect to see her in so much trouble here tonight.
She's playing with fire here.
Yeah, she's got to hurry up and get back in there.
Harsh impact.
Uh-oh.
Oh, man, what an inverted Frankensteiner.
Beautiful technique.
What impact.
Oh, nasty impact.
Throughout WWE's more than 54-year history, There's one superstar who raises their game even higher in a handicap match. It's the superstar with the motto, one versus all, and that's the big dog, Roman Reigns. On the February 20th, 2017 episode of Monday Night Raw, we saw Reigns accept the handicap match against Raw Tag Team Champions, Anderson and Gallows.
That night on Raw, Roman Reigns was determined to take down Anderson and Gallows. What I found more impressive than taking Anderson and Gallows on was that Reigns did so right before he squared off against Braun Strowman in Fastlane. The big dog never rests. Roman Reigns is happy to take on anyone who thinks the WWE ring is their yard.
Look, I'll never dismiss the power, determination, and ability of Roman Reigns. I've been in the ring with the man. The match ended because Roman took it upon himself to attack Anderson and Gallows with a steel chair, which in my mind was done without just cause and is something I don't condone.
We've seen handicap matches throughout WWE history that can display someone's incredible ability. And we've seen the handicap match be utilized to deliberately put someone in less than advantageous situation. Either way, handicap matches are something that a superstar must be ready for no matter what side of the numbers game they're on.
No matter what era of WWE history we look at, or if we're talking about present day, the handicap match can be dangerous for all competitors involved. And if you're a superstar who's outnumbered, you have to be extra careful about ending up on the losing end of things. A beating could stop and never end depending on how the odds shake out.
That's very true, Michael. With that being said, though, just because a superstar is on the side that has the numbers advantage, history's also shown us that it's important to stay focused on the mission at hand and take care of business, rather than to get cocky because you have more people on your side of the ring. In 2017, the WWE Universe saw the immeasurable power of Braun Strowman unleashed in handicap matches. The monster among men annihilated teams of 2, 3, and 4 men and made it look so easy it was almost difficult to comprehend. On the February 6th episode of Monday Night Raw, the Leviathan Braun Strowman absolutely destroyed 4 local competitors and made it look like child's play.
Corey, I remember when we called the action that night on Raw and Braun Strowman was simply unstoppable. The easiest way to put it is that Braun Strowman doesn't care if he's going for the big one. Nice job getting out of the way of that one. She better do something fast. Whoa, impressive.
You can say that again. I never thought you'd break free from that one.
A handicap match is the type of match where a superstar or superstars square off against respective opponents, and one side has a numerical advantage against the other. This could be a singles match or a tag team match, and as we've seen through history, can include any amount of superstars. Talk about a game of roulette.
Look at the look in her eyes. She's in the zone now. Handicap matches have been part of the WWE for decades. The superstar who's seen the most handicap matches out of anyone is the iconic 8th wonder of the world, Andre the Giant. Moonsault!
That's how you put an exclamation point on the end of a match.
Will she win it here? A kick out, and you can see the frustration starting to build.
Gonna take more than that.
Hurricane Run!
Unbelievable athleticism.
Byron, I have to believe that Candice's opponent will need to do all she can to keep her tied to the mat, to keep the daredevil in the Rey at bay.
Yeah, Michael, it might be best to counter the Rey's high-flying style with mat-based wrestling and submission holds.
Oh, the reversal by Alicia Fox.
Oh no, we've got a problem here, guys.
No kidding. Who knows what will happen next?
Byron, earlier you used the term high flyer to describe Candice LeRae, but Candice doesn't like that term. She prefers to be called.
This might be Fox's night.
Looking for all the glory here.
The cover, and this one's history. What a win.
No doubt it was a good one. Here's another look.
Look at her go. Who could forget this? And that's exactly how she wanted to end this thing.
Here are your winners, Candice LeRae, the Ravishing Russian, Lana, the Queen. And
What an effort here in this handicap match.
You know, it didn't happen often, but I can attest, being pinned is humiliating.
Don't adjust your TV, folks. This Vegas crowd really is this loud.